Hi everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you about how to fix the black screen problem in Assetto Corsa Competizione. So if you are facing the black screen problem in your Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will show you how to resolve it. I will tell you all the steps, you have to follow them, and by the end you will able to fix it. Now let's watch the video.